Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge Volvo XC90 battery. Begin by parking on level ground, turning the ignition off, engaging the parking brake, and opening the hood to access the 12V battery. Disconnect negative terminal first to reduce short risk, then positive if needed. Keep metal tools away from terminals and avoid jewelry. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep children and pets clear for safety. Select a charger matched to your Volvo XC90 battery chemistry and size, ideally a smart charger with AGM and automotive modes. Connect charger clamps to clean battery terminals, positive to positive then negative to chassis ground if battery is isolated. Set amp rate based on need, lower amp for slow safe charging, and higher amp for quicker recovery. Monitor status lights and temperature while charging to prevent damage and ensure. With safety gear on, clean battery terminals and ensure clamps have solid contact. Attach positive clamp to positive terminal first, then negative to chassis ground if recommended by Volvo. Set charger to desired amp and start charging, checking progress periodically and avoiding prolonged charging above recommended rates. When charger indicates charged, switch off charger, remove negative clamp first, then positive, and secure terminals. Run vehicle systems briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.